friends to my channel, Meals with Mills. I want to quickly give out a shout out to all my subscribers, everyone who have supported me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your love and support. My polytuber community, everyone who have supported me. I cannot call out all of your names one by one, but please know that I really appreciate the love and support from all over the world, all the countries in the world, Hawaii, New Zealand, here in Australia, America, India, and everyone out there. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I also want to make a special shout out to some of my young friends. I'm sorry I'm talking a bit longer here, but it really moved me to see some of my young friends who take time to learn to cook, and I really appreciate you for learning to cook at your young age. So thank you, and shout out to Darius and Judah, your Nana Eve, and your dad Michael from Oahu, Hawaii. Thank you. Shout out to the House of Fidos, the girls. Thank you for learning to cook, and all the subscribers out there. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, in this episode, I am going to make tater tots. Let's start cooking. Okay, so these are my ingredients. I have leftover pulled pork here. I cooked some for dinner the other night, and I have some leftovers, so I'm going to use that for this recipe. I've got frozen mixed vegetable here, peas, corn, and carrots. These will be the ingredients for my gravy, and just some spices. And our potatoes. And we are just going to brown our pork. Dried rosemary, and just a little touch of onion powder. So the pork is already cooked. I'm just warming it up, and just give it a bit of nice golden color. It will look really nice. It tastes nice as well on our loaded tater tots. That's it for now. I'm just going to leave that on the side. We'll go ahead and boil that so we can cook our frozen veggies. This literally takes a short time, especially if you have leftover meat, cooked meat I should say, if you decide to have loaded tater tots that way. Otherwise, you can go ahead and use bacon, sour cream, cheese sauce, and some onions. I am doing it differently this way. I am doing the gravy topping with the veggies. So I'll show you in the end. Sorry, cut that talking, but I will show you as I go along in the process of the cooking. That shouldn't take too long. In a few minutes, we'll add our frozen vegetables. Here we are. Let's add our frozen vegetables. Just adding more frozen vegetables. Right, that's boiling now. Alright, let's go ahead and add our onions. We're just going to saute our onions until they're nice and golden brown in colour, but not burnt. Process shorter by frying the onions together with the pork, but the members of the family have trouble with onions, so I'm doing it this way. But you can fry the onions and the pork together, or any meat. That saves you more time cooking this recipe. You're starting to see a nice colour in our aside some pork for that family member of mine, and I'm just going to add the rest of the pork and cook it together with our onions. Let's go ahead and add salt and pepper to season our pork. I think that should do it for now. We'll come back and heat it up again before we settle our dish, but that's it for now. And we're moving to the next stage. This part, I'm going to add butter to the pan, and I'll add flour. So we're making our gravy now, everyone. And I'm adding the rest of the ingredients. I will have everything available again as usual in the description below. Touch of the dark soy sauce, just for colour. About a teaspoon. Feel free to add more water according to the consistency that you like with the gravy. Add a few more water. That's it. Okay, so our gravy is ready. I will also put it on the side for now, and we will move on to cooking these. Okay, let's go ahead and add our potatoes. I'm going to start with that lot first. I don't want to overflow our frying pan. Just keep frying these until they're nice golden brown and crispy. Potatoes are nice and golden brown. We are going to remove them out of the oil. Be very careful. Our loaded tater tots with leftover pulled pork, gravy and some steamed veggies. Let's give it a taste. Yeah. Potatoes nice and crispy. Nice taste of the onions and the pork along with our gravy. Very nice. I've done loaded tater tots before, but I've used cheese sauce and bacon, onions as well, and sour cream with spring onion. That's also nice. But this is the first time I've tried the gravy topping with onions and meat. It's also nice. I hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. Everyone, once again, thank you to all our families and friends out there for the love and support. Please stay safe and look out for each other. And we will meet up in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Love from Mills and family. Bye for now.